Okay, so if you want to do something similar to that, simple, gets the point across, then follow these steps, because I'm going to make this as simple and quick as possible, because I value your time and you value mine. We're going to start on Google. Okay, we're going to go to YouTube. Okay, simple. I don't know. We're already running into roadblocks. So you want to go find a green screen, on like a free green screen that you can easily implement into your video. I would advise copyright free one. Something that would not get you in trouble. Okay, so you get your copy and paste. You're gonna take that to a YouTube MP4 downloader. Yeah, I would advise this one. I could put it in the comments or fucking bio. And yeah, so you're gonna convert that, download that thing, and while that's going, you're gonna CapCut. All right. I'm gonna close mine out just in case I have it open. I may not. I already have something going on here. Okay. CapCut. Import. And let's go to our recent downloads. Find that green screen, throw it on there. Plop her in. Alright. So, first things first. You get your background, whatever you want to green screen in. And we'll just do why not this? Well, we'll throw me running with a tiger. That sounds fun. Key is that this thing is on top of whatever your photo is, or just keep the green above whatever you want to screen it to. You're gonna go to, okay, I think is it mask, retouch? Yeah, remove background. So chroma key, grab your color picker, and then yeah, you click. So as simple as that. Now you got your your lion walking alongside the road with you. I wonder if I can rotate him at a different axes, but yeah, it's about as simple as that, man. Look how good that looks. It's beautiful. Yeah, so it's as simple as that. Really don't get it complicated. I hope it works for you.